Hello, welcome back to Daily English Drop.
Hi everyone, we're so pleased you're here.
I'm Anna.
And I'm James. On this channel, we assist you in practicing authentic, everyday English.
Today we are going to explore how to discuss your daily schedule. It's a truly practical subject.
James, please remember to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to our channel for additional English practice. It really supports us.
Let's begin. So, James, how are you feeling today?
I'm fine, thank you. And yourself?
I'm a bit exhausted, but I'm doing well.
Exhausted? What has you tired?
Well, this weekend I got up exceptionally early on both days.
Oh no. Why did you wake up so early over the weekend?
On Saturday, I went for a long stroll with my dog. He loves the early hours. And on Sunday, I tidied my apartment. It was a hectic weekend.
That certainly sounds hectic. My weekend was more calm. I watched a film and I met my friend for coffee.
That sounds considerably better than my weekend.
Perhaps next weekend you can take it easy.
I certainly hope so.
So, discussing our weekends is a good opener, but
Let's discuss our typical day from sunrise to sunset, our daily routine.
okay, excellent suggestion. Shall we start with the morning?
Yes, let's start with the morning. So, James, what time do you generally wake up?
I generally wake up at 7 o'clock, but I don't get up right away.
Oh, what do you do instead?
I stay in bed for around 10 minutes. I glance at the news on my phone. It's a bad tendency, I know.
I do precisely the same thing. I need a little moment to become fully awake. But after that, what's your next step?
Then I exit the bed. The very first thing I do is make my bed.
Oh, you tidy your bed. That's very meticulous.
Yes, it makes my space look pleasant. Following that, I head to the washroom.
Me too. The first action in the washroom is I brush my teeth.
Likewise, I brush my teeth and then I rinse my face with cold water.
Cold water? Brr, that sounds chilly.
It is chilly, but it is effective for waking yourself up. After that, I take a shower.
I take a shower every morning too. But I prefer a warm shower. A hot shower, actually.
A hot shower sounds appealing. Maybe I will try that tomorrow. Following my shower, I get dressed.
What do you wear for work? Do you wear a uniform?
No, I don't have a uniform. I typically wear comfortable clothing. I wear jeans and a t-shirt. Occasionally, I wear a smart shirt. How about you?
I also wear jeans, but I often put on a blouse or a nice pullover. I enjoy being comfortable, but also appearing professional.
That makes perfect sense. You are an educator. After I get dressed, I'm ready for breakfast. I am always extremely hungry in the morning.
Breakfast. What do you typically have for breakfast? I typically have a very basic breakfast. I consume a large cup of coffee and I have 2 slices of toast with butter.
Only toast. Is that all?
Sometimes I eat cereal with milk, or if I have enough time, I prepare eggs, but usually it's just coffee and toast. It's fast and simple.
I adore breakfast. I believe it's the most essential meal. I generally eat yogurt with fruit, or I prepare some scrambled eggs. And I always drink tea.
You always consume tea every single morning.
Every single morning. I don't care for coffee. I drink green tea.
More coffee for me then. So after breakfast, I wash my breakfast plates.
Oh, that's thoughtful. I also rinse my mug and plate. I dislike having dirty dishes in the sink.
Me neither. Then after breakfast, I depart my house. I head to work. How do you get to work?
I usually catch the bus. The bus stop is extremely close to my house. Only a 2-minute stroll.
That's handy. How long does the bus journey take?
The bus journey is approximately 20 minutes. I listen to music on the bus.
That's lovely. I walk to work because my office is very near my flat. It takes me about 10 minutes.
You're fortunate you don't require a bus or a car.
I know. I appreciate it. What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 o'clock. How about you?
I also begin at 9 o'clock. So at work, what do you do initially? What is the first thing you do at the shop?
Well, first I open the entrance and switch on all the lights. Then, I turn on the computer and the till. I ensure everything is prepared for patrons.
Do you get many patrons in the morning?
Not too many. The morning is usually very quiet, so I often read a book for a short period or I arrange the books on the shelves.
That sounds like a tranquil way to start the day.
It is. I enjoy the quiet morning. How about you? What is your morning at the school like?
Well, first I go to my classroom. I place my bag on my desk. Then I check my emails on my computer. I receive numerous emails every morning.
Oh, I see. I get emails too, but not quite so many.
After I check my emails, I get my lessons ready for the day. I write on the whiteboard, I get my books ready. I instruct 3 classes in the morning, typically from 10 to 1.
3 classes? That sounds demanding. Do you have a rest period between your classes?
Yes, I have a brief break at 11:30. It's only 15 minutes.
What do you do during your break?
I usually go to the teacher's room. I drink more tea and I chat with my colleagues.
Colleagues, that's a good term. It signifies the people you work with, correct?
Yes, precisely. My colleagues are the other teachers. They are very pleasant. We discuss our students or our plans for the weekend.
That sounds lovely. I talk with my colleagues too, but my shop is small. I have only 2 colleagues. Do you get along with your colleagues?
Yes, they are very cordial. We eat lunch together occasionally. Speaking of lunch, what time do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 1 o'clock after my morning classes conclude.
Oh, I have lunch at 1 o'clock too. It's the perfect hour for lunch. What do you generally consume for lunch?
I often bring lunch from home. I prepare a sandwich or I bring some rice and vegetables from dinner the previous evening.
That's a wise strategy. It saves funds.
Yes, it is more economical. But sometimes, maybe once a week, I visit a small cafe near the shop. I purchase a soup or a warm sandwich.
That sounds pleasant. I generally eat in the school canteen. The food is acceptable and it is very inexpensive. I often have a salad or pasta.
Following lunch, I feel slightly drowsy. Do you feel drowsy after lunch?
Yes, sometimes it's a real issue. In the afternoon, I have 2 more classes. It is sometimes hard to instruct when I feel drowsy.
I comprehend. In the afternoon, the shop becomes busier. Many people arrive after school or after work, so I don't have a moment to feel drowsy.
That is beneficial for you. What time do you finish work?
I finish at 6 o'clock. Then I close the shop. I clean the floor. I turn off the lights in the computer. And then I secure the door.
That sounds like a considerable amount of work at the close of the day.
It's not too bad. It takes around 15 minutes. What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 o'clock, so our workdays are comparable in duration.
Yes. So the workday is over. Now the evening begins. What do you do in the evening?
Well, first I head home. When I arrive home, the first thing I do is change my attire.
Me too. It's the most wonderful sensation. I remove my jeans and I put on comfortable trousers.
Precisely. I put on comfortable trousers and a large soft t-shirt. Then I feel like I am truly at home.
Yes. It signifies work is done and downtime begins. After I change clothes, I start to consider dinner. I am usually famished.
Do you prepare dinner?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. It helps me unwind. What do you like to prepare for dinner?
I'm not an expert chef. I frequently make simple items. I prepare pasta with tomato sauce, or I cook chicken with rice and salad. Occasionally, when I'm extremely exhausted, I order takeout from a restaurant.
I also order takeout sometimes, perhaps once a week. But I prefer to cook. I often prepare soup or fish with vegetables. I have dinner around 7:30.
I eat a little later at 8 o'clock. After dinner, I wash the plates.
I wash the plates too, right after I eat. I dislike a dirty kitchen. I need to clean everything.
Same. I cannot relax if the kitchen is untidy. So, after dinner and dishes, it's time to relax. What do you do for enjoyment in the evening?
Well, it's dependent on the day. Sometimes I watch television. I enjoy watching nature programs.
Oh, I like those too. The ones about wildlife.
Yes, about the sea or about woodlands. Sometimes I read a novel for my book club or I phone my family on a video call.
That's nice. I generally watch a series on Netflix. I am currently watching a humorous comedy series. Or I play video games with my friends online.
Video games? Truly? I have never played video games.
You ought to try. It is very entertaining. It aids me to relax and chat with my friends. Do you ever do exercise in the evening?
Ooh, that's a good query. Sometimes I go for a walk after dinner, but not consistently. I prefer to exercise in the morning, but I don't have the time in the morning.
I never exercise in the morning. I am too sleepy. I sometimes go to the gym in the evening, but only 2 times a week on Tuesday and Thursday.
Oh, so you have a fixed schedule for the gym?
Yes, it assists me to remember. Do you have any similar activities?
On Wednesdays, I have my book club. We meet virtually and discuss a book. And on Fridays, I occasionally meet up with my friends for coffee. Keep learning, keep practicing, and have a marvelous day.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.